Now the next bit is a squaring circuitry using multiplier. Okay, here we want to design a squaring circuitry from the multiplier circuitry. For designing squaring circuitry from multiplier circuitry, connect both input terminal of that multiplier circuitry to each other and apply one common input, which is Vin. Okay, so that the multiplier circuitry output is nothing but V0 is equal to K into Vx into Vy. Here Vx and Vy both inputs are connected to the common input, which is Vin, so that the output is K into Vin into Vin. So Vin into Vin is nothing but Vin square. So output of this circuitry is nothing but K into Vin square, which is nothing but the output is proportional to the square of input. So this circuitry is nothing but a squaring circuitry by using multiplier circuitry. So next bit is squaring circuitry using log anti-log amplifier. Here input is connected to the log amplifier circuitry A1 and the output of this log amplifier circuitry is connected to the non-inverting terminal input of A2 amplifier. A2 amplifier is connected in non-inverting mode and the input of this circuitry is nothing but V01, which is the output of logarithmic amplifier circuitry, and output of this non-inverting amplifier circuitry A2 is given to the input of anti-log amplifier circuitry, and the output of this anti-log circuitry is nothing but the square of input. V0 is proportional to the Vin square. Okay, now first the output of log amplifier circuitry is nothing but V01 is equal to minus K1 log E K2 into Vi, K2 into Vi. So this is nothing but the output of this log amplifier circuitry. Here this op-amp is connected in non-inverting mode, so that the gain of this non-inverting amplifier is 1 plus Rf upon R1. Here Rf and R1 having equal value, both resistor are same, so 1 plus R upon R. R upon R is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So that gain of this amplifier circuitry is 2. Okay, now the output of this A2 amplifier is V02 is equal to gain into input. So gain is 2 into input is nothing but the output of logarithmic amplifier circuitry, and output of logarithmic amplifier circuitry is nothing but minus K1 log E K2 into Vi. Okay, means the output of this V02 is 2 minus K1, take common, minus K1 2 log E K2 into Vi. Now log E having 2, so this 2 goes to power, so minus K1 log E K2 into Vi square. Now apply this output at the input of anti-log amplifier circuitry. Output of anti-log amplifier circuitry is V0, and V0 is equal to 1 upon K1 K2, 1 upon minus 1 upon K1 K2 into E raised to minus K1 log E K2 into Vi square. Log and E both are cancelled to each other. K1 K2 is also cancelled to each other. Minus minus get plus. So V0 is equal to Vi square. So this is nothing but the output of this circuitry, which is output is proportional to the square of input. So this is nothing but the concept of squaring circuitry using log amplifier circuitry. Okay.